Welcome to another episode of the Tech Wizard series, where you can find how to process the technical information, tips and shortcuts to take full advantage of the capabilities available with your Panasonic device. This is Vasanta Thana. I am a lead software engineer with Panasonic Connect. In this episode, I am going to talk about how to collect log files using the PC support file copy with TOUGHBOOK 55. Disclaimer: the customer is liable for any damage to the system or replacement component while servicing the unit. In this event, the customer will be responsible for any and all charges related to the repair of the system by the Panasonic National Service Center. I am going to talk about PC support file copy utility. This utility is very important utility to collect the log files from the unit. If there is any issue with the unit, and we need these log files to analyze the issue actually. So, this application by default, it is part of the pre-installed with the factory OEM image. So, I will look for the Panasonic utility. It is called Panasonic PC support file copy. So, it is right here. So, basically it collects the log files related to the PCinfo viewer file and then hard disk information, battery information and BIOS logs. So, by default everything will be turned on, the check boxes are on, and click OK. Then it will ask for the folder where to keep the log files. So, I am going to select my C drive, and C drive I have a working folder. So, under working I have a log files, logs. So, I selected the logs. So, I can see that I am going to confirm that are you sure? Yes. So, it is collecting all the log files. So, once it is done, it says that file copying completed, click OK. So, now I can see all the log files. So, this is very important to analyze the issue furthermore. So, whenever there is an issue, please use the PC support file copy and collect the log files, and please zip it and send it to us. Now, we have a standalone application of the same PC support file copy. I will show how to use the standalone application. So, basically this is a zip file. Once I unzip it, I will have a separate folder. So, under the folder I have a file called sfilecopy.exe. I am going to execute that. So, basically this is the GUI of that utility. By default all the checkboxes will be checked in. So, that means I wanted to collect all the log files. By clicking OK, it will ask me the folder where to keep the log files. I am going to select the local C folder. I will create a new folder called logs2. I will come back to the utility. By clicking OK, it will ask me the folder working logs2. I am going to confirm it. It is collecting all the log files. So, the log file collection is completed. I can come back here, I can see all the log files. I can go back, I can zip it, then please upload the log2.zip. So, that way it will be helpful for the analyze the issue. Thank you for joining this episode of the Tech Wizard series. If you have any questions, you can contact Panasonic support at 1-800-laptop5 or email us at toughbook@us.panasonic.com.